In Lecture 8, we're going to talk about some common software development terminology that you hear all the time. Agile software development. Agile is a set of methodologies that try to get software implemented faster and using fewer resources, focus on people, results, collaboration, and responsiveness. Definitely much improved over the older waterfall method of development. Refactoring involves working programs to make them clearer and easier to maintain while preserving their correctness and functionality. It's very common in Agile. Design patterns are proven architectures for constructing flexible and maintainable object-oriented software. Design patterns try to enumerate these common patterns and help us not to have to re-engineer them. Software as a service is software basically sold elsewhere. You run it on a server on the internet. When that software is updated, all your clients are instantly updated, and there's no local installation needed. You access the service through a browser, and it's very simple to use. Microsoft, Salesforce, Google all offer software as a service. Platform as a service provides a computing platform for developing and running an application. The most common are Amazon and Windows Azure. Cloud computing is the idea of software as a service, and platform as a service. You use software and data stored in the cloud, i.e. accessed on remote computers. All the cloud really means is somebody else's computer. A software development kit, or SDK, includes the tools and documentation developers use to program applications. An alpha is the earliest release of software that is still under development and the public can play with. Beta is released to more people with a lot of major bugs fixed, but they're still somewhat buggy. Release candidates are the feature-complete releases made for people to test right before it goes live, and then there's the final release. Software that's developed using continuous beta approach, for example Gmail, generally doesn't have a version number and it's constantly updated. This can be a little jarring sometimes because features you like may disappear. So those are some common terms, and you will run into them all the time.